I'm changing. Oh. Old ass sticks.
Oh yeah. It's dirty. She's a dirty bitch. She's a dirty one.
It's dirty. There's zero cable management.
There is a little bit of cable management.
Yeah, the cables managed to go everywhere, but yeah, I mean, look at this. This is just.
It's not pretty, all right? It doesn't look good.
It's function over form.
Yeah, function over form.
I mean, this guy still has all the plastic protecting everything. I removed the one on the EVGA here.
Fucking asshole. I was keeping it there for a reason, all right?
It's still got plastic here. He's still got the plastic.
Yeah, because I don't want to scratch it.
It's even got I think it's even got no, maybe it doesn't have plastic on the inside. It has a weird texture. And then you can look at this.
Hey, don't. I have 2 dogs, all right? Chill.
He was wondering why his computer was overheating.
I never said that. I never said that.
I don't know if this has anything to do with it, but there may or may not be.
What? A dog, a whole ass corgi,
a whole ass recycled corgi in there.
Just an entire corgi. Which way we're gonna fucking slap this bitch in like that?
Like that, yeah. I think it's like that, yeah.
Slap me, Danny.
I heard the click. Wonder if this plastic has anything to do with.
I mean, do you like how it's upside down?
These are flat dark earth fans.
Yep, flat dark. Yeah, it's battle worn.
He actually used this computer exclusively in
Iraq.
Iraq, yeah.
Yeah. Did I put that in the fucking? Did you put them side by sides?
No. It goes in this outer one.
That's what I thought.
Yep. I probably bumped the other latches. Don't put it in crooked.
You know, I can't see.
Well, I got the light on. Get your fat hands out of the way.
Dude, I want to have fat hands and I want to dance. Okay?
Good.
All right. Tom Cruise.
He packs fudge. Oh, we gotta put those screws back in.
Yeah, I think we should probably pull the fucking front panel off this and maybe hose it down a little bit. Maybe pull the whole corgi off of it. You know?
Well, if you want an extra dog.
If you want a dog, just take a
Does anyone want to adopt a dog?
Yeah, it's literally just, how the fuck do I get this off?
I don't know. I've never actually dealt with this case or seen this case. Can you push the graphics card forward?
Yeah.
There you go, like that.
Is it in the hole? Is it in?
Can you feel it? I'm tightening it.
Fuck!
Oh, I think I cross-threaded it.
Oh, fuck! Put it back in.
Oh, it's tight.
Oh, fuck,
it's pretty tight.
I'm gonna come.
I don't know where the other. This video is definitely not being monetized.
I feel like it should be monetized.
Yeah, well, YouTube sucks. You dropped one of your fan screens. I don't know where the other freaking.
Oh, you lost it, huh?
Yeah, I don't know where it went. I cleaned out most of the crap. Yeah, he doesn't touch that stuff. He doesn't like screws.
Hey, Koki!
Yeah.
Screw you!
Oh, there it is. And your other fan.
Fan guard.
Ugh. I know. I'm sure people are going to be super pissed we're doing this on a carpet too. Static electricity. You know how many computers I've built on carpet?
Yeah, me too. All of them. Oh, static me, senpai. Oh, fuck, I'm gonna static so hard.
Watch as this completely backfires.
Alright, fuck me.
How late is Micro Center open?
Fried the motherboard in.
Yeah, so I'm gonna need that PSU back, and
I need literally everything. Oops. My bad.
See if this pig-ass pig turns on.
She's firing up.
Plug the power cord back in.
Yep, she's in. I mean, she was in the whole time.
Well, not now.
Huh?
Or not the power cord, sorry, the video cord, the display port.
DP. God damn.
Oh, damn. Memory changed. It's fine, who cares? Let's see if this thing posts.
Post,
Post.
baby. Post for me, baby. How about the bus?
I think we're all right. Dale?
I had that as my work photo
Oh.
for a while. All right, we need to pull the front off there.
Wow, look how red that is.
Yeah. It's called Hellscream for a reason, baby.
Oh, do you have it set up like that?
Except
your
I
old
the fucking RGB on the goddamn...
your old RAM wasn't RGB though. This stuff.
Oh shit, that's red now though.
It's very red.
Look good.
Even,
He's like
even the
that.
CPU cooler is red.
Oh, baby, we got it all red.
Red is fast.
Hold on. Yeah, red is faster.
His GPU is running as cold as possible. Oh, the peel.
Oh.
The peel.
Oh.
It's so pretty. He's still got the plastic on the front.
Yeah. We're doing a peel
Wow.
reveal.
Peel OV. Oh, now you can really see the dog.
Yeah, don't mind the
It's a
fucking...
beautiful dog.
We gotta figure out how to fucking get that.
I think it must just lift out.
I feel like it does.
Be careful though, because tempered glass, while strong, can be irregularly fragile.
I don't know how that's supposed to come out of there.
I don't either. I've never, ever dealt with this case.
Well, you know what we should do? Maybe turn to YouTube and figure out how to...
Yeah. Maybe some other content creators got some tips and tricks for us.
Tips and tricks.
But I don't know. I don't know how that comes off. Maybe it's a whole. Maybe it's this whole front panel thing comes off
Maybe.
with the whole everything.
You know, no, because it's connected right over here.
Is there like? I'm not really sure. What is this case?
Oh, you know what it might be?
It's a nice case.
You know what it might be? It might be these guys right here that come off.
Oh, really?
I see one, I see two, and I bet you if we open up this side right over here, there's 3 and 4. Bet you, I reckon.
It's just a dust filter too.
I know, I'm just trying to, I mean,
So it's a matter of just, yeah. Interesting. Very interesting stuff. Oh well. That is just dirty and disgusting.
Hey.
I like this. I like this. This is classy.
You like that?
It's classy.
Mm-hmm. It's called management. Manage.
What a sexy build.
Yep.